180 with Bob.
All right then, Scuba. Good morning, my brother.
Yeah. Khomotso.
What would you have done without me? No, let's talk about what you've done without me.
Khomotso is boss.
Thank you.
Stuck in traffic, Joe. Everyone's stuck in traffic. Like, it's rough out there. People are red, Joe. Black people are red, Joe. Akekho umuntu ofuna ukufaka omunye. Fast lane, right ku fast lane uyaphi. Rough, M1 South, like from
North, yeah.
South, sorry. South, man. South, North. South, North,
Yeah, goofy.
Follow Khomotso, Necha. And you want to go 20
Yeah.
Mal business no kanyane nyezo tasa no kanyane. Usako ni chiko ne in Chelil. Ngithi la kuzoba late. Khomotso angitshela, ngifika kanjani eledlaleni atlalela ke. Phatha udradalo umntwana lo
yero kane
ngabe lalela ngabe asukhomutso ngabe ngisase highway mina
Mbakeli.
Oh my god mina ngasi clean off
Listen to Mbakeli.
Mbakeli oh manje sala lapho sokulana thina.
So welcome to, thank you very much.
No worries.
Thank you very much. It's the day of the Zulus today, my brother. We're celebrating Zulus,
Yes,
and you're one of them.
Yes, and not just a Zulu, award-winning Zulu.
Congratulations, my angel.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
You are being honored, Baba.
Yeah.
Were you and your whole nation?
Yeah.
Ho.
Ngayila. But amazulu violent. Amazulu ingoma zabo violent. Ingoma zamazulu azibheka manje imambazo kuphele right. Imambazo angikuze ukucula brabo bana.
Brilliant, eh?
Like imambazo hlalisa esithunini.
Yeah.
Wonke umuntu unithuni ubrabo uzela le bona abantu. Brabo uthi hello ka uzosithangana. Hello my baby. Hello my baby. Popuzela le ibhodlela uyale abangana.
There's something else. There's something else.
Uzilungisa nevoice uthi zone. Sada sasa cheaper hayi phela. Hello mama. Hello my baby. Ubobla ubhizi ngithi hello. Umzamile uzobiza nemedi yakhe. He's in love. That's why we love you. In love.
Yeah, you got
Mambazo iculele i-Valentine song.
How about
Heritage Month.
Okay.
Mara wazamuzulu ngoma emazulu ethi angazi wayicula ngisoprano. Thula mntanami ikhona ivolovolo. Ithi thula mntanami la ekhaya khona ivolovolo. To translate thula mntanami la ekhaya khona ivolovolo. This is not translate. Ukusho la ngene kunespam. Ungakhala. Ngoba shaya stratini sizoba preachela. Mntanami la ekhaya khona ivolovolo. Bafakazi laba bani. Wathi into right. Ingoma zakho ngiyokhisela endlini. Ngiyokhisela endlini. Ishaya ngiyokhisela endlini. Ingoma. Sombol. Kunengoma yabo futhi athi yeni wathi angazi yabo bani. Khuluma ngegazi ukuthi ungombulali uzomgwaza mina. Yazi.
These are your people. What's wrong with you?
Baba sengiyolala ngilala endlini. Bring all the songs next week. Why is it violent? Why? Mazula wena ndaba ayafana naloba basePitori ngiyamthanda. Ubani loba
Soli.
utamsocha uchayina makafika uright ngale moto yakhe engakathenga imoto ezi right for wonke umuntu i-i20 i20 right one pipe number 4 pipe la bafuna 4 pipe le hayi la one pipe mangabe meeting in bothatha 4 hours ungawari uzothatha 2 weeks manje uzofika yo umsocha ushintsha ne diet sadliwa ama pizza lawo ama triple A spike cholesterol yobenzani umsocha ushintsha yonke into ePitori yonke into msho ishintshile abantu badla ikota and specialty 1 or specialty 2 uyi waste bangabe wena unenkinga lento yenzayo uzokuvulela icase njengalabo abavulela icase baba una 1 week ase opposition already sase police station
One pipe.
nikombela 1 pipe please done I-20 ine seat belt ay1 and right bayongena kanjani abogwede kuba I-20 ngale yamikhaba sizona yazi I-20 ayifuni ama airbag inawo already kulabantu abazobe bagibela yeah kuzoba ne problem no aninje ngitshela next time ngithenga ama falls ngicela uthenga nama band emikhaba brapop ngicela ukuthi
Formadoda khane.
no hayi fortune
Formadoda.
umkhaba into ekhona into esinayo bro ubratina unento yakhe nami nginento yami
Hawu pratika namkhaba sugeza wena.
ndini bro ngathi thula lo mntwana azithula lo mntwana
Uthe awusinaki namhlanje.
uthini ngathini ethula lo mntwana azithula lo mntwana lala kahle bese kuba nomfundisi uthi uphilile Don't 7 days sonile uphilile yadlala
Listen to this.
Is conflict a problem?
It's English, Mr. Mpofu, and that's not my mother tongue.
Will you answer my question in any language of your choice?
It's English. It's Ingisi.
Is conflict a problem?
Angiphetanga i-dictionary ukuchecka ukuthi it's a problem.
70,000 every month.
lo babuza na ivoice yakhe ayikho right it's conflict a problem ngiyabuza balolu conflict manje
Yeah, the word
Yeah.
conflict.
Yeah.
Davisana.
sinenkinga ezingaka abantu batshontsha amamiliyoni ePitori uTamsojo bafaka kuma Corolla
Tam soldier.
Tamsoja akadlala akazange ukudlala la uTamsoja uthi mangena athi ngifuna ukuhuva la and uqala ngalabo ama opposition laba kosa wonke umuntu ipizza ayisadliwa akuna triple layer bratibozi kudliwa amakota ePitori manje idiet iyabuya akunamuntu oze emsebenzini ngesudu ukuthi uyendsam wonke umuntu overall sisemsebenzini la uTamsoja ngiyamthanda
Tam soldier.
Yeah, he's got his thing going there.
Tinisha.
One pipe, Baba.
Don't Tinisha, brother.
Oh,
Yeah, fine. Tinisha is taking Zulu lessons.
I said,
Yeah, to understand me.
just to understand you. That's nice.
It won't happen, man.
It won't be a conflict.
What is a conflict?
Have you ever seen anything like this in the world of music? I mean, Genesis started off with Phil Collins just as a drummer, and then he became the singer. Peter Gabriel, before that, was with Genesis, great solo career. Mike Rutherford, great solo career. It's just been really good for these guys. It's unbelievable. All their solo careers, sort of like the Beatles, you know. This is my white side coming out, yo.
And then, now, one that was at Devon. Who wanted to close at Devon by a lot of people? And I go, Mechi. Manga bengicala babangicela uxoloba banxolele
Ngeke
Isatha amadoda.
ngiphinde.
ngithi hamba uyondlala ngizosuka ngithathe isagila ngikubhule ingoma leyo idlalwa eradioweni
See, I at least know that song.
idlalwa eradioweni ngepride ngeconfidence
Akovalo.
le radio DJs ithi bayashekela bambhula ngesakhila ke labo umbhula sakela mbhula le dead bese lithi Oscar wrong ubhule ngesakhila mbhula le futhi uthi ngizosuka ngithathe isagila ngikubhule futhi kusho ukuthi umshayile kokuqala azange air police station lo mama bamshayile wavele wandlala wathi baba sengicedile wambhula ngesagila futhi radio iradio dlale radioini hayi prime time radio bese umuntu ayibhekana nje ngeconfident athi imzuzu lapho isayithatha bayabona sithatho ke lapho khanda yabo baba umbhule ngesagila mbulale futhi country le it's either simameli or asinandaba idlala nge-16 days of activism leyo ngoma ngesunto sakhe siyabonga amazulu edlala erenkeni lezo zikhathi ke angaza amazulu waya amavestabo bonke ama-vestabo so isipono ngaphandle Oh, ndoba futhi. Fika kupela taxi yakhe mntana uzositshela kama usuqedile ukuphapha. Bese ngena kule taxi. Regeni. Lo feel sorry man baba ngifuna taxi eJimsini but oh sorry baba mina ngeJimsini ndihambe kahle. Oh, what's the ngapha?
What is it's a sense of humor though, isn't it?
Basile.
Usa.
Hala baba serekhona. No baba ngeJimsini ndihambe kahle. Kalanda bana Monday ekseni, kalanda bana taxini, ngicwele. Nangilaphatha ama 50 rand ukonibheka nje. Ngibheka vela ngene garage. Thenkomazi thenga champions. Walo 50 rand 1. Na inkomazi yakho. Ayishentsha yakho. Ubika necross, ukunika cross. Wena unemali ehlangene ekseni. Ana bafuna ukuhlekiswa. Hlekisana. Benjani weekend ubuzelayo? Anamse amazulu wana ndaba tu. Like amazulu lento kuthiwa abafazi baya abuse. Ayikho kule country. Khona manje inkosi yakhona ithe i-country lena iyona i-country. Ithe inkosi icela ukuthi indaba yamalobolo iphele. How? It was on the papers this week. Kuthi indaba yamalobolo iphele. Umuntu ba right ngefateni said ngoba ikho lento kulotsho ulotshola kanjani umuntu olotsholayo umuntu onganangane ongakenzi lutho olbhedayo hawu nihamba neplash no episode duma lalila le mabuye ufuna ukulotshola cha lokulotshola ungalala ngendlini Kingswell team
hey child so sanibulisa endlela
Hello buti.
nikahle kodwa
Hayi siyaphila buti.
nosikhumbuzo sabonga ukubona
Sibonga lathi bhuti unjani
namhlanje ke wamabhena sikhuluma ke ngalento ke ibizwa iwoduming woduming because mayicabanga kahle lento khona abantu abaye emsebenzini kodwa mabashayisa uwoduming uyavela lo muntu akajayivi akaculi akapheki so sifuna ukwazi ke ukuthi wena uyiwoduming yakho yini
Okay, udume ngani?
dume ngani
Udume ngani?
mara masebeka ngodume kana ayisazwakali
it's not nice, yeah.
manje uBhedi wakamboweni noKatlego lo oshaya lengoma lemnandi lethi kuye lona
Oh, yeah.
bazaba la e-studio
Nice.
sikhuluma nge-top 10
How?
nenye ingoma engayithandi futhi
How?
engoma ka Rob Malinga nalomfalo
but uzile but it's not that
bambe basethi njalo umbheke emehlweni njalo hey ngibhizi mina Bani umuntu emehlweni the whole day yazi mfaza ungithiza kanjani umbheke emehlweni njalo hayi Robi ngeke hayi awasheni nje ungibhekane naye emehlweni umncome njalo umncome ngalamakhala mine ancode umncome njalo baba inkinga mulo njalo yabazi bafazi babavuka ekseni akubheka athi ngizele breakfast dayo angina appetite awu down appetite uthuswe ilento ala igqobisile umuntu yakulala naye vuka ekseni ngathi umpheme haya Zodlana angidli nix angidli
Not appetite.
angina appetite
Happy tight, not appetite. Happy tight. Anyway, I need to ask you a question, Tibos, before you go. Do you have extra tickets to Delicious? Because I don't. And I think these things should be made like publicly. Like, please do not call me. I do not have extra tickets to Delicious. Yeah. Better get them now. You don't have either, ne? So
none,
no one must call.
None whatsoever.
All right.
Thank you.
Miss Roberts, do you have any tickets?
I looked behind my ear, nothing.
I mean, I bank at 12, so my way of my number. Amazulu ingoma zamazulu sengihlekisa khona ingoma amazulu ethi ungitshela ukuthi umithi namhlanje izolo bothulele
180 recap.
Excuse me, Kaya. The legendary Ray Phiri was in studio yesterday. I enjoyed doing the hot or not with him because it's absolutely fantastic. But Ray will be inviting guests when he performs at the Kaya FM Presents Live at Baseline tomorrow night. Tickets are still available in Kaya at 120 Rand at web ticket or 200 Rand at the door.
All right, then. Gosh, it's been a fantastic week. Thank you very much for being with us. But before we go, Skumba, you know we didn't want, as a country, we did not want the Dalai Lama to come through.
Yeah,
we're like, no.
Dalai Lama for Mahathir. Oriental Plaza. Last Oriental. How did this is? Oriental Plaza. Itela la milakile. Itela lima. La kitchen is like a rough.
I'm trying to be serious.
So Marita la lama. So the story for actually so again usbamba the story.
I'm going to ask you about that story. So now there's a gay pastor.
Yeah,
who calls Minister Gigaba or something like that. You know,
Gigaba.
So there was a petition. There is still a petition to get him not to come in because he doesn't like gay people. So if he met some easy on a street somewhere, he would probably beat him up. That's how prejudiced this old man is. Listen to what he had to say.
This morning, we were all over the news in South Africa. I mean, we've been on the radio, TV, newspapers, websites. They're all talking about how, you know, we're coming to do this soul winning marathon on September 18th, which is just less than 2 weeks from now. And I just wanted to point out some of the ridiculous nonsense in some of these media stories. You know, first of all, this Minister Gigaba, who is the government official that I guess they've been trying to get to ban me from the country. I mean, this guy is such a joke, and it's so funny how people, after all these many years of life, don't understand that politicians are always talking out of both sides of their mouths, lying, just kind of making false promises and so forth. Well, the thing that's funny about this is that they've been trying to get this guy to ban me for the last few months, and he made it clear then, and he made it clear yesterday that he's not going to ban me from entering the country.
This guy, Pastor, doesn't understand. Only Julius is allowed to make fun of the minister of Instagram. No one else. No one else.
Sorry, bro. Out. There's no man that speaks like, okay. Okay, I get it wrong, folks.
That could be the problem.
This minister of gigabytes. I guess. I'm going to go to the Tembis.
What a disrespectful man of God. He sounds like he's a man of Satan.
No, mhlawumbe mafika ngapho kune ozohlangana neintanga zakhe. Ngathi makafika akahlangabeza abo pastor bala. Kube khona mhlawumbe abomporo. Bamkhwebe. Abomporo bamkhwebe balothi yazi umporo ngemenikyo. Umporo ngemenikyo nepedicure. Umporo amkhwebe. Uzondo amkhiphela lento athi hey. Uzondo athi hey. Sinjela ke sile bafundisi banana. Babukhathide naye athi wena ubhoza ngapha. Like kufanele welcome. No, welcome ngeintanga zakhe. Simhlasele ngapha. Asathi ubheke imanicure nepedicure, mabheka ngapha horse pipe. Inisela utshani. Zondo lamazondo. I told us, wow, Africa, your pastors are actually animals. No, you manicure. My petty.
Oh, the story you wanted to tell us?
Sorry, Nyazu to selling at 2 minutes. But Ben say a middle peg last week. But Miss Middle Peg on egg. Miss Middle Peg would have by 2, but with 1. Oh, it's 2. Uchebile. Hasn't got Kebile. Kiss ya Miss Middle Peg. Uzake mathaya ngo Miss Middle Peg ngathi ngala phuza face. Oh manje ya country leyana na Middle Peg indawo nje. Nyama scroll ke namhlanje hawo. Sasa ngenkangala. Kala simhlangabeze lo pastor.
Yeah,
Umboro athi, "Hallelujah, amphathele le Vaseline." Amkhwepha amgqokisa.
Thank you very much for hanging out. See you on Monday. Have a fantastic weekend.
Thank you very much. You are absolutely amazing. Please be safe. Bye.